It's a vicious circle.
Exactly.
Because the problem is, like in Washington, you have a right-wing lobby that has been for the last 50 years trying to play the divide game, whether it's in Haiti or Venezuela or Bolivia. Anytime they didn't like somebody who has been elected, they always came, play the divide game, use people, I'm sorry for Mr. Lucas, use people like Lucas actually to destabilize any government that had been elected. Most leaders in the world and most institutions know perfectly well, or actually are scared now, that any future, president will be, there's going to be some efforts from countries like the US or France to destabilize them, and there's going to be another coup d'etat. There's going to be other people like Lucas and others who are going to try to do everything to destabilize them. It's a problem in Haiti. It's a problem in other countries, and that's the real problem. The reason why the money is not flowing in is not flowing in. No, I know, but everybody knows, you worked for the IRI for 4 years before Aristide was overthrown.
Those conspiracy theory.
That this is all over the news. Yes. No, it's not. It's a real fact that the IRI
if you make an analysis
only against the Lavallas government of Aristide. That's a fact. It's important that the public knows how you were involved in playing the divide game and how you were involved in use by, white supremacist right-wingers in DC